If you're looking to learn how to show LearnWorlds content in WordPress, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of embedding your LearnWorlds courses, videos, and other content into your WordPress website. Let's dive right into it. First, the good news is that LearnWorlds has made this process pretty straightforward, but there are a few things you should know to make sure everything looks perfect. The first thing you need to do is install the LearnWorlds plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for LearnWorlds and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate, and you'll be ready to link your LearnWorlds account to your WordPress site. Next thing to keep in mind is integrating your LearnWorlds account with WordPress. You'll need to head to the LearnWorlds settings on WordPress and add your LearnWorlds API key. This step is crucial for syncing your courses directly with WordPress. You can find the API key in your LearnWorlds account settings under Integrations. Copy that key, paste it into the WordPress plugin settings, and hit Save. Now, let's talk about how to display your LearnWorlds content. You can either embed individual courses or entire course catalogs on your site. For individual courses, simply go to the page or post where you want the course to appear and use the LearnWorlds shortcode to embed it. You'll find a shortcode in the LearnWorlds dashboard under the course settings. Next thing, let's focus on making it look good. While LearnWorlds automatically integrates with your WordPress theme, you might need to tweak the design a little to ensure the content flows seamlessly. You can customize your pages by using WordPress's block editor or even page builders like Elementor or WP Bakery for more flexibility. The fourth thing is a little more technical. If you want to add a custom LearnWorlds page layout or design, you'll need to use the LearnWorlds Embed API. This will allow you to create a fully custom page where your courses can be displayed in a way that suits your website's unique style. While this requires some coding, it gives you much more control over the look and feel of your course pages. One thing to consider is performance. Depending on the number of courses or content you're embedding, your website might experience slower loading times. To counteract this, it's a good idea to use a caching plugin like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache, as these plugins will help improve your website's loading speed even when you're embedding large media files. Lastly, while LearnWorlds is a great platform, it may not always be the best fit for every user, especially if you're focused on growing your audience fast and need more flexibility with design and marketing tools. For some, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific might offer a better balance of ease of use and more comprehensive features for building your business. So, what's the better option? Well, in this video, I'm also going to share an exclusive deal for an extended free trial of LearnWorlds through our link. But wait, there's more. If you're serious about finding the best platform to display your online courses while scaling your business, we've found some great alternatives that also have free trials available. These platforms might be better suited for your needs, depending on the goal you have with your LearnWorlds content and WordPress site. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, so don't miss out. Whether you stick with LearnWorlds or try one of its competitors, you're covered with top-tier platforms that will help you succeed.